Hi, welcome back again. Today I shall be reviewing a very useful product, and this tech will help you monitor what's going on inside your body. If you're already subscribed to my channel, then you might know I unbox and review very informative tech, and if you are not, then do subscribe. So here it's me again, and I'll be sharing with you an amazing piece of tech which is an ear camera sent to me by the company Bebird. This product was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video, and I'll be sharing my honest opinion with you. The color in which I received this product is bright orange, but this same product is also available in few other colors. The full name of this product is Bebird Ultra X 5G, and behind the packaging you get all the details of what tools are came inside with their name and exact quantity. The quality of this product's packaging is very premium. This product is designed to be used with a mobile phone app that's available in Android and iOS. Here comes the main product, which is again wrapped in plastic, and I was really amazed by the quality of packaging. This is also the main product which I will going to review, and it's a very clever idea to design this kind of product in a tray, which is very convenient for traveling or keeping in your closet, everything all together. And here are some additional ear cleaning tips that come in this box, and most probably they are enough for 1 year. This product is also rechargeable, so you get one type A to type C cable. And now it's the time to go inside the main product. So for quick and easy unboxing, I always store one piece of metal between my watch strap and LED light. On the left is the main camera unit, which we will going to review next. And on the right, you're not only getting the tools for your ears, but also your throat and nostril monitoring. And one amazing thing is to avoid cross-contamination of bacteria. For 5 family members, you get 5 different colored tips for ear cleaning. So here comes the main camera unit. The camera unit is inside this plastic body. The product itself is pretty lightweight, and the camera unit itself is thick enough to hold and operate it very easily. Next, I will going to also operate this camera unit with its mobile app. Now let's have a look at the tray found inside this plastic body, and I will also going to review all the purposes of these little small accessories that are going to be attached on the camera unit, and they all serve a separate purpose. So to connect this Bebird ear camera with your mobile phone, first you need to download this app. Turn on your Bluetooth and simply go inside the app, allow some permissions, and also make sure when you are pairing it with the Bluetooth connection, your device should also be turned on. And to turn on the device, simply press the only button in the center. Press it once, the blue light will start blinking. And when your device is successfully found inside the app, there will be a pop-up. Simply press pair, then press join, and after a little while, you're successfully on the page, and simply press start ear cleaning. Now the best thing that I like the most about this Bebird Ultra X ear cleaning camera is the 5G connection the company also markets a lot. This not only means that the camera is a good quality camera, but the most important thing that I noticed, and you can also monitor, that there is no lagging, no latency, and there was no glitch while I was streaming the video live from the camera. This device is not only made for ear cleaning, but also to monitor your nostrils, even to monitor your throat, whether you have a sore throat or if there is any other problem. And while your monitoring mission is going on, you can also take a picture by pressing the capture button. Image is acceptable quality. It also mentions on which day this image was taken. You can also record the video while you are monitoring. There is a built-in microphone in this camera device. First you will listen me from iPhone. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Now you can observe the quality of audio and video that was captured through this ear cleaning device. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Now I shall be going deeper inside what the accessories and ear cleaning tips found inside this camera box. There is one very amazing feature of this product, is that the tip that goes inside your nostril, throat or ear is also flexible. You can either turn it according to your ear's shape, or you can keep it straight. Whenever you want to replace or change the tip, you can simply rotate anti-clockwise, and it is more safe and easy to clean or wash in that way. You can also see there is a scale mentioned just beside the camera tip. Camera is actually on the very top of the tip along with the LED light. Before you go inside the nose or ear, you have to select the correct silicone tip to put over the camera body. This is not only done for hygiene purposes, but there are very soft tissues inside your nose and ears with which the silicone tip is pretty safe. Before I go directly inside my ears, this is very important to understand what are the different type of tips that you are provided. These tips are not identical to each other. In some cases, you find earwax is solid, and in other cases, you find it liquid or gummy. Likewise, you have to select that specific tip to pull the wax out. Now it's the time that I prepare the device to monitor my ear with the correct tip that I select for my ears. Remember one thing, you will only use the ear cleaning tip when you are not monitoring but only cleaning. To only monitor the ear, you don't need to put on any tip. What I will going to monitor inside my ear would be the first time that you're also watching, and personally I was also watching on the camera. Please don't get afraid of what you see inside, as we all people are built similar on this planet. Our ear canals are always dark, so there is a bright LED light on this ear cleaning device. And I'm also using a soft silicone tip because on the same time I was also trying to remove some wax. I'm sure this part would be difficult for you to tolerate, but believe in me, this is the most safe and clean way to remove or clean your earwax. I do respect the experts who believe in having earwax is good for the ears, but since I have this device, I'm using it for cleaning every 3 days. This is the big white tip that you can use to monitor your throat. I will be not practicing this in this video, but this is pretty easy to understand that you can put in your mouth, lower your tongue to check if you have either sore throat, big tonsils, or you need to directly consult with the doctor. So this is another very amazing accessory that comes in the box. It's called a dropper. I will demonstrate this dropper by putting some fresh water inside this bottle cap's lid. In normal scenarios, when doctor recommend you some ear drops, you normally squeeze the bottle when the bottle is very close to your ear and the fluid directly enters in your ear canal. But with this electronic device, you can still go one step further. By simply putting the dropper on the camera body, loading the dropper with the fluid, you can carefully take the camera inside the ear canal, and where you find the problem or wound, you can directly spray very precisely. I will be sharing with you that how practical or useful is this tweezer. The tweezer is not practical unless you have the correct accessory attached before putting the tweezer on the camera. Here you can find another accessory for cleaning the camera when it's blurry. Before you screw the tweezer directly on the camera, you have to install this jacket at the first place. And then you can install or screw the tweezer or picking tool after that. And when you squeeze the jacket, it closes the head of tweezer. If you are not a doctor, neither expert, before you practice on yourself or somebody else, either it's a nose or ear, this little practice or a similar looking practice can help you focus more precisely. This tweezer or picking tool is made from metal which is silicone coated, and due to this it is not hard against your soft tissues of ears and nose. So this was all about this Bebird Ultra X 5G, which is priced very reasonably, and from where you have to get it, the links are in the video description. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.